And the neat thing about this toolbox is it has one deep drawer, but the drawer does take out 25 inches. Right there. And the neat thing about this toolbox is he has a tool grid, tool organizer. Definitely one of the guys with the best tool organizers here in the shop. So if you guys want to be disorganized, check out Tool Grid. So neat thing about this toolbox is it's 11 drawers. One of the drawers being extra wide, and you got 10 other drawers. It's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think of this toolbox. Comment below. And the locker. HVAC equipment, HVAC hoses, HVAC manifolds.